40 profitable and trending business ideas in India in 2025. Looking for a fresh business idea? Whether you're stepping into entrepreneurship or expanding your ventures, here are 40 startup business ideas in India that could be your next big move. Digital and online ventures. 1. Content writing and blogging. Turn your passion for writing into a source of income by blogging or freelancing for brands. 2. Digital marketing services. Help businesses grow their online presence through expert SEO, social media management, and paid advertising. 3. E-commerce store. Sell unique products online and reach customers across the globe. 4. Dropshipping business. Run an online store without the hassle of maintaining inventory. 5. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by recommending products on your platforms. 6. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge with students through online coaching. 7. App development. Build apps that solve problems or entertain users to tap into a growing tech market. 8. YouTube channel creation. Create engaging content, grow subscribers, and monetize through ads and sponsorships. 9. Social media management. Help businesses shine online by managing their social platforms. 10. Virtual assistant services. Provide businesses with administrative support, all from home. Food and beverage industry. 11. Catering services. Deliver mouth-watering meals for events, weddings, and more. 12. Food truck business. Take your recipes on the road and serve foodies wherever they are. 13. Homemade snacks. Offer healthy homemade snacks to health-conscious consumers. 14. Bakery or home baking. Start a home bakery with creative and delicious baked goods. 15. Tea or coffee cafe. Create a unique cafe experience with locally sourced brews. Health and wellness businesses. 16. Yoga and fitness instruction. Help others achieve their fitness goals with personalized classes. 17. Organic skincare products. Develop and sell natural skincare solutions. 18. Health coaching. Guide people to healthier lifestyles with personalized coaching. 19. Mental wellness workshops. Host workshops promoting mindfulness and mental well-being. 20. Homemade health juices. Turn your love for wellness into a business with fresh, healthy juices. Sustainable and eco-friendly businesses. 21. Eco-friendly packaging solutions. Help businesses switch to sustainable packaging options. 22. Recycling and upcycling crafts. Turn waste into art or functional items with upcycling. 23. Solar energy solutions. Provide sustainable energy options for homes and businesses. 24. Organic farming. Meet the growing demand for organic produce with sustainable farming. 25. Sustainable fashion. Launch a clothing line that focuses on ethical, sustainable fashion. Creative and unique ideas. 26. Event planning. Plan memorable events that delight clients and guests. 27. Photography services. Capture special moments for clients with your creative eye. 28. Interior designing. Help homeowners and offices create beautiful interiors. 29. Handmade crafts business. Offer unique handmade products that stand out in the market. 30. Toy making business. Create eco-friendly, educational, or fun toys for kids. Professional and consulting services. 31. Career counseling. Guide students and professionals to make informed career decisions. 32. Tax and financial consultancy. Offer advice to individuals and businesses for better financial management. 33. Freelance graphic designing. Turn your design skills into a profitable business. 34. Language translation services. Bridge language barriers by providing translation services. 35. Online courses creation. Design and sell courses on topics you're passionate about. Technology and innovation. 36. Tech support services. Offer troubleshooting and tech solutions to small businesses. 37. Drone photography. Use drones to offer photography and videography services. 38. Web development. Build websites for businesses looking to establish their online presence. 39. AR/VR experiences. Create immersive experiences for entertainment or training purposes. 40. Cybersecurity consultancy. Help businesses protect their data from cyber threats. Montage of successful entrepreneurs. There you have it, 40 incredible business ideas for your journey to success. Which one will you start today? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips.